Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. Both of these videos are being Python themed, so both of them are Python themed, so I don't really know what to say. Let's take a sip of water and then dive right into it. So first of all, I'm using PyCharm. I'm just gonna create a new one. I'm gonna call it voice_tutorial.py. The py is important because it's the Python extension. So first of all, I want to import OS, which will be nice and simple. And then, so I'm going to start off with literally just the starting off. So I'm going to make a function def talk to me, and then we'll put audio in here. So that's made a function, which will then do it. And then, so this is going to print whatever the person says. So it's going to print audio, and then for line in audio dot split lines brackets colon, like so. You go os.system and then say and then plus audio. Make sure you're copying this as accurately as you can, and then you're gonna say talk to me, and then hey there. So that should work. Oh no, whoopsies. I'm running the wrong one, so let's run onto this one here. Run voice control. Okay. What is wrong here then? Let's try talk to me 3. I'm not really sure what's happening here. Let's see what's wrong. Could it be right? I'm not a 100% expert at Python. I know a little bit. I'm no pro. I know. Here we go. Hey there. Not found. Okay, let's try. Why is he not talking to me then?
Hey there.
Oh, there we go. Eventually. Let's try that again.
Hey there.
Okay, so we did that in 7 lines of code. Finally, I don't really know what we're playing up. Now, we're going to cut that out, okay? Completely. I'm now going to build an application of it, okay? So I'm going to say command equals nothing, and then while command doesn't equal quit. I want it to, where's it going? I want it to command equal input command input, and then up here I'll have whoa, come on, slow coach, like that. I need to get my command here. There, and then and I want that dot lower, just as a good practice, as I said in the last video, for later on when you build bigger chatbots. I might actually do a chatbot tutorial of how I made my chatbot, but let's just get on with this though. So if the command is equal to hey, and then boom, I insert what we just did, and then so I'm just gonna insert hey. Oh, whoopsie, there is a mistake in the code. That needs to be lowercase. Let's rerun this then. That's hey. It then returns with
Hey there.
later on with hey there, which is good. And this has been a quick little video, just and that's a good application. This one here of how to it's a very good application of it, and it's a bit of a chatbot, isn't it? It's chatting back to you after you've inputted something. So there we go. That's that's today's video done, I guess. And sorry, drink of water. I'll let you guys decide what the next video will be about. Python, stock market trading, finances. We've also got some tech to be reviewed if you would like that. Just drop a like and comment what you would like the next video to be. I will see you in the next one.